Welcome to the live of Vidatri. So these are the beautiful pattu sarees today. We have got you the pretty collections of pattu saree which is at a very affordable cost. So we are sure that you will love the saree collections today. Very bright colors and with beautiful zari work. Please do stay on the live and watch all the sarees. Hope you might find your favorite collection. So today's live is all about the pretty sarees, beautiful pattu sarees, and we have got you 3 beautiful colors with the mannequin. So this is blue color only. First saree, which is very elegant, with full of brocade work all over the saree and the khadi border, which is pink color, blue and pink contrast. And the next one, this is mehendi green, such a beautiful color. It's a traditional color combination with peacock and florals in the border. Sarees with full of brocade designs and a traditional border at the bottom. Such a beautiful saree. And the next one, this is one of the bright color, red with sea green color combination, and a floral jal on the border. You can even see the peacock and florals, and the sarees with full of beautiful motifs. And yes, welcome to Vidatri. So today's live session is all about the beautiful lightweight pattu sarees, and name Ketkunal one of the beautiful color saree and the pretty combination, and this saree suits for almost everyone and every age group. This is green with pink color border, such a beautiful color saree. You can see the combination, and saree mottam kuda manki floral designs vastundi, which is with beautiful golden zari, and the border kuda is woven with pretty designer. You can see the border as well. The detailing is very beautiful. So let's begin the live only one by one. And live start chese mundu, please to take the screenshot of this such that you can order your favorite saree. This is the WhatsApp number 739-638-2067, and you can also note down the shipping charges as well. We are shipping worldwide. Your favorite saree at your doorstep. So yes, we'll begin the live only. Very beautiful collections tonight today. I hope you will love all the collections, and this saree is also very beautiful. You can see the designs very clearly, and it's very beautiful too. And manaki next month Varalakshmi Vratam vastundi kada, so these sarees will be the perfect fit. Manchi muhurtams and పూజలకి కూడా చాలా బాగా సెట్ అవుతుంది, and colors కూడా అంతే traditional గా ఉన్నాయి. Hope you will like all the sarees today. Let's begin the live one by one. ఇప్పుడు first saree మీకు చూపిస్తాను. This is one of the traditional color which will be apt for all the traditional occasions. Color combination kuda chaala chakkaga unnadi. So this is yellow with blue color border. You can see border lo kuda manaki peacock designs vastundi. It's a zari border and saree mottam kuda golden color motifs. And here's the blouse. So blouse kuda chaala chakkaga vachindandi, blue color. We can stitch it till half the elbows or till the elbows, and you can see the border detailing. It's very elegant, peacock and cross lines on it. And pallu. So here's the pallu. So pallu, it's beautiful design and chudan kuda chaala grand ga undi. Saree is also very lightweight and you can see the material too. And this saree is priced at 5,999. These are at a very affordable cost. The special sarees of and special collections of Vidatri. This is one more beautiful color, everyone's favorite. This is dark magenta pink with green color border. You can see the peacock designs on the border with a khadi border running on either sides, and the sarees with full of Rudraksh and peacock motifs. Beautiful booties andi mottam kuda saree mottam. Such a traditional design all over, and two different size borders running on either sides. And here's the pallu. So pallu lo kuda meer floral jal chudochu, chala beautiful ga undi. Such a intricate designs with golden weave. And for this we have got a contrast blouse, such a beautiful blouse with self-embossed pattern. And here's the model. So like this you can pair it up with short sleeves or like this. And the saree is priced at 5,999. And this is one more beautiful color. So ఇది వచ్చేసి మనకి కలర్ కలర్ వస్తుందండి, blue with golden color combination. And body of the saree is with full of floral designs. And the border, it's with golden weave, floral designs and intricate designs on it. It's two sides borders running on either sides. And here's the pallu. Pallu is also very elegant with golden zari. And for this we have got a contrast blouse. మనం మగ్గం వర్క్స్ కూడా చేయించుకోవచ్చండి, మనకి చిన్న ఎంబోస్ సెల్ఫ్ ఎంబోస్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ వచ్చింది. So we can pair it up like this. You can see the color combination as well. Very pretty and elegant. So this saree is priced as 5,999. ఈ శారీస్ అన్నీ కూడా మనకి పూజలకి చాలా బాగా సెట్ అవుతుందండి. లైట్ వెయిట్ శారీస్ కదా, వీ కెన్ వేర్ ఇట్ ఫర్ లాంగర్ టైమ్. అండ్ మనకి వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతం కూడా వస్తుంది. సో దిస్ విల్ బీ ద పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఫిట్. యూ కెన్ సీ ద కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్ యాజ్ వెల్. Such a traditional color combinations today. And this is green with pink color and the floral design at the border. And the sarees with full of intricate designs, golden zari booties, floral work. And a plain khadi border running on either sides, which is pink in color with golden zari combination. And here's the pallu. Pallu mottam kuda manaki brocade designs vastundi, bright and elegant with golden weave. And here's the blouse. So blouse is also very beautiful and we can stitch it in elbows. It looks more elegant and మనం ఇలా మగ్గం వర్క్స్ కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. And this saree price is 5,999. For orders you need to take the screenshot of your favorite saree and message onto the WhatsApp number. So the number is 9363822067. Please do take the screenshot. And this is one more beautiful color, bright color, pink with blue, everyone's favorite. And ee saree meeku nachinatlayite please do take the screenshot and message to the WhatsApp number. Our team will get back to you and they'll assist you. And this is one more beautiful color with golden zari booties all over and the floral jal at the border. And this is the pallu with golden weave, which is traditional and rich in color. And here's the blouse. Blouse kuda chala beautiful ga vachindandi with self embossed pattern, and this is the model combination. We can pair it up. And this saree is priced at 5,999. Meeru mannequins kuda chudochu. So they are like a perfect example for you. And saree material kuda manaki chala soft material andi, very light weight, such that we can wear it for a longer time. And manaki Varalakshmi Vratham Poojal anni kuda vastundi. And even for the wedding occasions, these will be the perfect fit. And the saree is very lightweight. And this is peach with green color combination. Such a beautiful combination. And both are light colors, and the saree is full of floral design and a khadi border running on either sides. Such a beautiful color combination. And here's the pallu with rich intricate designs with golden weave. Such a beautiful color combination. Both are light colors only. So this is for all the people who love the light color saree. And this is the blouse we can keep on. This saree is priced at 5,999. For orders you need to take the screenshot and message to the number. For dispatch, please to take the screenshot. You can call on 73963820067. This is one of the favorite color of mine, and I hope this will be the favorite too. So this is one of the bright color combination, royal blue with pink color, and the saree is with full of peacock and Rudraksh booties, which is a traditional design running all over the body. And border lo kuda meer chudochu, you can see the peacock designs on it with the khadi border. This is the pallu వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ అండ్ గ్రాండ్ లుకింగ్. మనం సింగిల్గా కూడా ఇలా ఫ్లాంట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సచ్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ వన్. And for this we have got a blouse, self-embossed pattern and a beautiful border. We can team up like this, and the saree is priced at 5,999. These are the best weavers price on the Vidasri special collections. For orders you need to take the screenshot and message to our team, or else you can even visit our stores, which is Vidasri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada. This is blue with red color combination and floral jal at the border. It's golden color weave. And the saree is with full of golden zari motifs, tiny motifs running all over the body. And here's the pallu with brocade designs, and it's very elegant and bright, rich color combination. And this is the blouse. So this color suits for almost everyone and all the generations. You can please to take the screenshot if you love this saree and message to our team. And this is priced at 5,999. Very beautiful sarees and the collections today. I hope you are enjoying the live session. Our designs are at a perfect price. This is one more chocolate brown with green color combination, and the border is with full of floral designs and mango designs. And the body of the saree is with floral intricate designs, looking very elegant and beautiful. Such a beautiful color combination and very rare too. This is the pallu. So pallu is with full of mango designs and florals all over with golden weave. And here's the blouse with a self-embossed pattern and a beautiful border. We can team up till half the elbows or full elbows. And the saree is priced at 5,999. So we'll move on to the next one. This is light color combination only. Border is a little bit dark when compared to the body. For this we have got a contrast blouse. We can team up. మనం బెల్ స్లీవ్స్ కూడా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. So you can see the blouse combination, how pretty it is, very beautiful. And the saree is with beautiful booties all over, running all over the body. And a perfect border with traditional design and the golden zari. So you can see the saree, how pretty it is. For orders you need to take the screenshot and message to our WhatsApp number. Our team will assist you, and I'll show you the pallu. So this is a rich woven pallu with intricate designs, such a gorgeous one. The saree is 5,999. This is one more beautiful saree with brocade designs all over, running around the body. This saree will be same as the one which we have shown up for the mannequins. This is pink color with floral design at the border. So మనం ప్లీట్స్ పెట్టుకున్నప్పుడు చాలా చక్కగా వస్తుందండి. And saree is elegant with complete designs running all over the body. Such a beautiful color combination, pink with blue. And this is the pallu. You can see the designs on it, florals and cross designs. And we have also got a blouse, the pink color blouse with a beautiful border. We can team up like this, and the saree is priced at 5,999. These are the special collections of Vidasri, new arrivals. And this is a beautiful color with a floral jal at the border. You can see the colorful designs, which is blue and green on the border. And the body of the saree is with tiny golden color booties. Such a beautiful saree, and the top portion is with thin border, and the bottom one is a little bigger. Such a pretty combination. We can team up with blue color blouse. And this is the pallu, such a gorgeous one with mango designs and floral designs. And this is the blouse. So blouse with self-embossed pattern and a beautiful border. We can team up like this, or we can even try the golden color blouse if you want. For orders you need to take the screenshot and message to our team. And this saree is priced at 5,999. For orders you need to take the screenshot. So please do observe the shipping charges of local and non-local. And we are shipping these sarees worldwide. For dispatch, please do call on 7396382060. Let's move on to the next saree. So very beautiful mannequins, you can see again. So మనం ఈ sarees కట్టుకున్నప్పుడు we get the same look. Hope you're loving the live session. And yes, we'll see the next few more sarees we have got. Nice sarees, Sangeeta Garu, thank you so much. Art silk, yes, it's like a kind of art silk. And you can even visit our store, which is Vidasri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada. And this is our store. You can find out our store by this name, Vidatri Shopping Mall, which is in PVP Lane. Yes, we'll see the next sarees. We have got some few more collections which will be apt for all the occasions, even for the weddings and pujas. So I'll show you the next saree. I'm sure you'll be loving this color. Yes, and everyone, this is one of the beautiful color. Green with red color combination. Saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి బ్యూటిఫుల్ డిజైన్స్ వస్తుంది and we have got some color options in this saree. And hello everyone, you can please do comment down your favorite color saree also. And this is the border with the floral jal and the golden color design. And this is the blouse. Like this we can pair up and we can even go with the short sleeves or full sleeves. And I'll show you the pallu. So this is the pallu only, very beautiful pallu. And the combination is also very elegant with peacock and floral designs on it. And this saree is priced at 5,999. For orders, you need to take the screenshot of the saree and message to our team. They will get back to you. Yes. Hi everyone, Deepika Garu and Sangeeta Garu. Yes, we'll be seeing few more collections. And the next one, this is green with pink combination and with the brocade designs all over the saree. Elegant and perfect. So నేను కట్టుకున్న saree లాగే వస్తుందండి ఇది. The color combination, you can see how pretty it is, and the texture is also very soft and you can carry it for a longer time. And even the border is very intricate with golden color zari booties, and you can see the peacock designs and floral designs on the border. And here's the pallu with beautiful combination and with full of designs which is rich in color. And the blouse. This is the blouse with self-embossed pattern and a beautiful border. We can stitch it till half the elbows. And for orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to the WhatsApp number. This is one more beautiful color. This is apt for all the traditional occasions. This is peach with green. So the body of the saree is with beautiful booties all over, golden color booties, and the border with peacock and florals and cross lines. It's with golden zari combination only. You can see the border also. Very beautiful. Such a lovely saree, and this has got a perfect pallu with golden zari. Chala rich ga undandi saree. And this is the blouse. So we can team up like this, half the elbows or above the elbows, and this saree is priced at 5,999. So these are the best collections of Vidatri. You can come down for the physical visit. We are open till 9 PM every day. And this is one more beautiful color saree, brocade designs running all over the body. The golden color, and the saree is light brick brown and the border is green with florals. Such a beautiful color saree. So you can choose this one, and if you want to order, please do take the screenshot and message to our team. And this is the pallu. Such a beautiful pallu with golden zari which is rich in combination, and the blouse. So we can team up, or we can even try some other contrast blouses if we love. And this saree is priced at 5,999. And yes, this is one of the gorgeous color which will be suitable for all the age groups. This is very beautiful saree and with brocade designs running all over the saree. So the body is perfect with beautiful design, and the border with leaves, peacock motifs and floral jal, very beautiful. And the two borders running on either sides, which is a khadi zari border. And this is the pallu. So pallu is very grand and మొత్తం కూడా golden zari combination తో చాలా rich గా ఉంది. Such a lovely combination. Green with pink is always a lovely combination only. And this is the blouse with self-embossed pattern. Such a beautiful combination. You can pair it up with beautiful jewelry. It makes it look more elegant. And this is one more color, orange with blue. So we have some color options in this kind of saree. You can contact your team for that. The body of the saree is full of golden color booties, and the border with floral jal, which is with golden zari combination. Such a beautiful designer saree. And this is the pallu, which is very rich and elegant with golden bead. And the blouse. So blouse is also very beautiful and intricate. So like this we can pair it up. And this saree is priced at 5,999. This is one more color saree. For orders, you need to take the screenshot of this Please to take a screenshot of this number such that you can order your favorite saree and our team will get back to you. Let's move on to the saree, next collection. So this is one of the beautiful perfect color, light lemon yellow color with pink color combination. And two thin borders running on either sides and sarees with full of silver weave. Light silver and golden color combination the manki weave vastundandi. Such a beautiful saree which is more elegant and it looks pretty when we pleat it up. And this is the pallu, pink color combination with brocade designs all over. And for this we have got a contrast blouse. We can team up like this. Very beautiful, and this saree is priced at 6299. And this is the last one for today from the collection of beautiful pattu sarees. This is one more saree. You can see the border which is rich and elegant. Bottom border has the floral designs and two khadi borders running on either sides with floral. Very beautiful saree, and the bodies with tiny booties. Such an elegant color combinations. For orders you need to take a screenshot and message to our team. And this is the pallu. Pallu with florins and repeat designs with golden weave. And we have got a contrast blouse. So we can team up like this. Such a beautiful combination. And this saree is priced at 6299. Yes, that's all for today. We have seen all the beautiful collections of Vedatri. Hope you loved all the sarees. Even I enjoyed the live along with you. We never compromise in quality, and these are the best collections of Vedatri in Pattu sarees. You can even visit our store for physical visit, which is open till 9 PM every day, and you can find your favorite collection. And for orders you need to take the screenshot, and if you love this saree also you can take the screenshot and message to our team. They will definitely assist you. And today's sarees are at the best weavers price. And for orders please to take the screenshot, and you need to call on 73963820067. And we're also shipping these sarees worldwide, so please to take the screenshot such that it might help you. And yes, we'll be back again in Instagram page live. You can catch us over there. Till then, bye bye.